Hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna check two different kits, same aircraft like I normally do when I have the opportunity. Two 777-300, one made by Zvezda, the other one by Revell on scale 1/44. So let's open the boxes and see what we have inside. We're going to start initially with the Zvezda kit. So initially we're going to have a look on the kit itself. So we have an overall light gray kit with very fine engravement, which is going to ease our build, and we're going to be able to replicate all the structure panel easily. So the fuselage is in two halves, and as you can see the rudder will come separately, and so will the nose cone. We have also the stabilizer, which is in two parts, and very fine engravement as well. What I will do is I will separate. So that sprue, as we can see, has all the engines. We have the engine mounts, and the good thing is we have also the fan are in two parts, and we'll be able to make a little bit of details on that. The undercarriage is very well detailed. I have to say that if I have to compare with some other kits that I did from other brands like Minicraft, you really have a good detail on that undercarriage. And I can see that the wheels are coming. You have the wheels are coming also with a separated brake unit, which is located on the other side. Lots of details as well on the nose gear with the little struts, and all the little details will come along. So that's a pretty quite decent kit, I have to say. Now we're coming with the foot. And you always have that foot basically could help you, or the stand will help you to make the aircraft in the airborne position. That's one of the good things about Zvezda. Now we're gonna have a look on the wing. I have to say that the wings are pretty well made. Two parts. The outside part is in a very basically it's made on the only one position, and that's going to be able to work this out a little bit easily. And you have of course the underside, and you'll have also the flaps fairing that's going to be added a little bit later on. What I could see so far, as I made one a while ago, we don't have the fuel jettison parts on that model. And here we have the nose gear doors, and we can see that the flaps pairing are made in two parts, and that's about it. We have the nose cone here, the exhaust turbine, and some small parts. So very nice little kit. I mean, not that little because it's going to take a lot of space. Now let's have a look on the instruction sheet. It's an A3 format paper. Pretty straightforward, I have to say. Nothing really important to mention. It's in recto verso, and then you have the decal sheet with the Boeing livery. Now we're gonna have a look on the decal sheet itself. It's pretty basic, but nothing wrong. Well, mainly the doors, a couple of static ports, the APU door, things like that, easily to work with. So we'll be able to see what's going on. Now let's have a look on the Revell model. So now we're going to check out the Revell model, which seems to be very similar. So we're going to start with the instruction sheet, which is an A4 format, but it's mainly all in colors and a lot more information. But at the end we're going to get the same result. So you have two versions, of course, with the gear up and the gear down, and very well detailed, lots of explanations, quite a few details on the nose gear as well. So it is a pretty nice kit. The good thing is it comes with the Boeing livery, the later one, and you also have all the masking tape for the, I mean not the tape, but the templates basically to be able to do the correct painting for the blue line. So you have it on both sides, which is very useful for this. So a very good instruction sheet. Now let's have a look on the decal sheet itself. And I have to say that this one is really beautiful. That's what we used with Revell. Beautiful ones. So what we have the overwing exit, all the panels, and also the different lines on the fan disc, the engines, so, and also all the static ports. So you have all the details you need to make a very nice kit. And I have to say that this is that's a little bit, that's what I would say the main difference between those two kits. And the other thing as well is you have some clear parts, and you have the options basically to do all the clear parts, put all the windows and the cockpit window, which I haven't seen on the Zvezda kit. Now we're gonna check out the wings again, and it appears that we have exactly the same part as we do have on the Zvezda kit. The difference is one kit is gray, the other one is white, but the surface, the panel lines are exactly the same. And when we check out the fuselage, we have exactly the same fuselage. You can see that we have the extra rudder on the back, and the nose cone is the same. So basically I believe we have exactly the same kit. And we can see the display for the stabilizer. The engines are exactly located at the same place on the sprue. So this is really the same kit as the Zvezda kit. Two kits are beautiful. One is in white with the better decals, and the other one is gray with a little bit less decals, but more or less the same, and almost the same price. I think there is maybe €1 difference between one and the other kit. So I think the Revell kit was maybe €1 more expensive, which I would spend basically to get those decals, as I could have some extra. So I hope you enjoyed that video with me. If you did so, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you soon for another build or another kit review. Thank you for watching.